So hope you are well, guys. My previous videos was on new RTO entry tool Lemlist. Today I have created an automation. Like if you have previous entries, previous contacts in your Attio CRM, and you want it to be synced with Lemlist, like you want all of those contacts to be in a specific campaign in Lemlist. So this is a simple automation that you can use. Just add the trigger of search entries, and you can add the list ID and things like that here, different queries, and then you can get the data of person and the data of company, and simply you have to map that values in Lemlist here. So this is pretty simple. It will just click on this deduplicate. So if there is a duplicate entry, it will only consider the first one. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Please ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.